Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro gain 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The Nasdaq rose on Monday and the S&P 500 edged higher as gains for energy shares and Tesla buoyed indexes, and investors looked ahead to a major Federal Reserve meeting later in the week. A digital currency based on the popular Netflix series Squid Game is trading at $0 after its creators cashed out, effectively stealing an estimated $2.1 million from investors. Epic Games and Tencent are shutting down the Chinese version of Fortnite. Would-be players are no longer able to register or download the game, and the servers will be closed on November 15th.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The U.S. 52-week bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate at 0800 GMT. Spain's market manufacturing PMI will be released at 0815 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0330 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.